Hello viewers, welcome to Top 8 for Health. In this video I am going to tell you about the impotence, causes, symptoms and treatment. Viewers, if you did not subscribe this channel, then please hit the subscribe button to subscribe. Impotence is a condition that can consistently affect a person's ability to achieve or maintain an erection or ability to achieve ejaculation. It is a form of erectile dysfunction. There can be several contributing factors for impotence. These include both emotional and psychological disorders. 50% of men ages 40 to 70 experience some erectile dysfunction at one time or another. The risk of impotence increases with age. Here in this video I am going to tell you about the reasons, symptoms and causes of impotence. Reasons. Endocrine diseases. The body's endocrine system produces hormones that regulate metabolism, sexual function, reproduction mode and much more. Diabetes is an example of an endocrine disease that can cause a person to experience impotence. Diabetes affects the body's ability to utilize the hormone insulin. This affects penis penetration. Other complications associated with diabetes are impaired blood flow and hormone levels. Both of these factors can contribute to impotence. Number 2, neurological and nerve disorders. Several neurological conditions can increase the risk of impotence. Nerve conditions affect the brain's ability to communicate with the reproductive system. This can prevent a person from achieving an erection. Neurological disorders associated with impotence include Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, brain or spinal tumors, multiple sclerosis, stroke, temporal lobe epilepsy. People who have had prostate gland surgery can also experience nerve damage that cause impotence. Long-distance bicycle riders can also experience temporary impotence. This is because repeated pressure on the buttocks and genitals can affect the functions of the nerves. Number 3, taking medications. Taking certain medications can affect blood flow, which can lead to erectile dysfunction. A person should never stop taking a medication without their doctor's permission, even if it is known to cause impotence. Number 4, cardiac-related conditions. Conditions that affect the heart and its ability to pump blood can cause impotence. Without enough blood flow to the penis, a person cannot achieve an erection. Atherosclerosis, a condition that causes the blood vessels to become clogged, can cause impotence. High cholesterol and high blood pressure are also associated with increased risk for impotence. Number 5, lifestyle factors and emotional disorders. To achieve an erection, a person must first go through what's known as an excitement phase. This phase can be an emotional response. If a person has an emotional disorder, this affects their ability to become sexually excited. Depression and anxiety are associated with increased risk for impotence. Performance anxiety can be another cause of impotence. If a person was not able to achieve an erection in the past, he may fear he will not be able to achieve an erection in the future. Treatment. Treatments are available for impotence, including prescriptions, medication, natural remedies, and lifestyle changes. Prescription medications. There are a variety of medical treatments that can be used to treat impotence. Natural remedies. For those who want to avoid prescription medication, there are a variety of natural remedies known to help treat impotence. Some natural alternative remedies for impotence include acupuncture, ginseng, pomegranate juice. Lifestyle changes. Whether a person's impotence has a physical or an emotional cause, there are many cases where lifestyle changes can reduce their struggle with erectile dysfunction. These lifestyle and behavior changes include smoking and drinking less, strengthening communication in a romantic relationship, reducing anxiety, exercising more and following a healthy diet. Prevention. Impotence has a large number of causes, but there are still measures you can take to help prevent it. Methods of possible prevention include taking part in physical exercise, which decreases the risk of impotence, avoiding smoking, drug or alcohol abuse, getting enough sleep, following a healthy diet, reducing stress, anxiety and depression. For more videos, please subscribe to Prophet for Health. If you like this video, please like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.